Want to know how to build a soffit and fascia return that actually looks clean and lasts without driving you crazy? Alright, so first off, you gotta measure everything twice or even 3 times because those cuts have to be tight to keep water out and avoid gaps. Use treated wood or PVC for the soffit and fascia since they're gonna be exposed to weather non-stop, and trust me, you don't want your hard work rotting in a season. When you're cutting the soffit panels, make sure you leave a small gap for ventilation. This keeps the attic fresh and stops mold from creeping in. Use a level when you attach the fascia board to keep it straight because if it's wonky, your whole job will look off. Don't forget to use corrosion-resistant nails or screws. Rust stains on your new soffit are definitely not cute. Caulk all the joints where the soffit meets the fascia and house to seal out moisture, but keep some room for expansion in hot weather. If you're new to this, it helps to mark your lines with a pencil before cutting so you don't mess up your boards. Lastly, paint or stain your soffit and fascia after installation to protect them and make everything pop visually. One of the biggest mistakes people make when building soffit and fascia returns is not allowing proper ventilation that can cause serious moisture buildup and rot over time. Fix that by always leaving vents or small gaps in your soffit panels. Another common issue is using regular wood without any treatment, which leads to fast deterioration. The fix is to go with pressure-treated lumber or PVC designed for outdoor use. Third, folks often skip sealing the joints properly, which lets water sneak in, causing damage. Just take an extra few minutes to caulk all seams well and check for gaps before you finish up. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find local contractors who really know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, contractors can use the site to connect with people ready to get projects done, making it easier to score good work without the hassle.